guys, welcome back to Ashram. We're should be a really good video for you guys because today we're seeing what's inside my back to school backpack. So the camera is gonna okay, so I'll be taking a lot of stuff like whatever's inside, and let's see what mysterious items we have found. So first things first, so let's open the backpack. Yes, so I'm gonna close my, oh my goodness, this is filled, guys. Just see, there's so much stuff. You guys saw? Oh wait, now let's open. First, okay, we're taking this. Oh, it's Magic 2.0. So rock pencils. Okay, this is great. This is a good find. Item 1. Next. This is, oh, the short book of riddles, guys. This is a riddle book. That's great. That's gonna be fun. Item 2. So first we have our 2 items. Third item coming up. Another book. Okay, a dictionary find out. A DK find out. Okay, that's a company name, but actually it's type of a dictionary about Earth. This is gonna be fun. Item 3. So 3 items. This bag is not gonna end. Look at it. It's a beauty, guys. I love the color blue. And besides, tomorrow I'm going to school. Physical classes it's gonna start, so I'm so happy about that. Anyways, let's get inside. Okay, is this what I, no, this just can't be. Oh my goodness, a Zebronics headphones. Oh, I know why it's not with the box, but that's cool. Let me check. Oh, this is comfy. Woo! Okay, item 4, and we're with a good start. We have a headphones, magic pencils, a riddle book, and a dictionary on the Earth. So, item 5. This is a cover. Oh wow! Oh my goodness! 200 pieces of googly eyes. We have it in all sizes: big, medium, and small. Wow, that's a very good find. That's gonna be worth going to school. That's for craft, of course, craft class. So, and okay, I have another cover. Oh my! Boruto 5 blueprints, guys. Ooh, that's cool. So that's item 6. Item 7. Boruto 5 black pens. Now I'm in 6th grade, so of course pens. This is item 7. Okay, this is gold. Oh! This is a classmate geometry box, Archimedes. Okay, it is sealed, so we'll try opening this later in later videos or something. Ow, I hit my teeth. This is gonna work in my math class because we're learning geometry. Item 8. Oh man. This is the biggest one, so I'm gonna take this out. A chessboard? Who's gonna use a chessboard? to be open. So it has this thing where you can lock it and unlock it. And once you unlock it, you have all the pieces. This is a good find, but still not worth taking to school. But still, I'll play with this. Item number 9. I don't even know how many items are there. Like, we have a really big pile. So yeah, in the end, I'll like put everything in the top and I'll showcase all of them. So stay tuned for the end. And I have a challenge for you guys in the middle of the video, so don't scroll like just there. Be careful. Okay. Oh, okay. Items are getting reduced. Okay, but still trying to get the next item. Closing my eyes. Oh, some flare red pins. Maybe I can give this to my teacher because I'm a student. That's a good find. Item 10. We literally have 5 blue pins, 5 white pins, and 5 red pins. This is exactly back to school bag. Is this a wire? Oh, it's cold. Oh, ball pump! How worse can this get? Like, this is like so good. I'm changing my mind. Look at it. Yes. Oh my goodness. This is cool. Look at it. Wait, one minute. Push and take. Yeah, so that's a really good one. So we have the pin, the pump, and the thing which you can use to keep your leg at the end of this. This is a really good find, but not worth of taking to school like the chessboard. Okay. Item number 11. How crazy could this go? Okay. Another black pen. I have a lot of pens. Item number 12. Now for the next item. Wait. Bro, this is our last 2 items. Okay, so this is the biggest one in that. In the 2, and it's a glue stick. And this is very useful. Oh, so it's a Faber-Castell glue stick. If you open it from this side, you can just, glue it like this. Oh, it dripped. Guys, look at that. There's a piece of glue. There's a drop of glue in the bed. I'm gonna get scoldings. Okay, so this side is like the thing where the glue comes from here, and you can just texture it, like spread it up. This is a good find, and this is very useful in taking it to school, other than the ball pump and just chessboard. Item 13. This is our last item, guys. This is like the smallest, even smaller than the pen. So it's like the size of my palm I have right here. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! It's a Dom's Neon Eraser. I wanted this for such a long time, and now I got it. Oh, that's right. This is a clean eraser. Wow. This is a really good find, and I'm of course gonna take this to school. So that's item 14. So let me just check if there's any more items. Okay, the bag's empty. Now let's keep this bag aside, and I'll be with you guys in a moment to showcase all of these items we have collected. So, I'm saving for the challenge I kept for you. So 1 minute, you guys will meet me. So guys, as you guys know, we took a lot of stuff from this bag, and now, from the back to school bag, and now, this is all we got. 14 items. 1, 4. First, we got a ball pump, which is not useful. It's called chessboard, pair of headphones. We got this neon eraser, this glue stick, double-sided Faber-Castell glue stick, 200 pieces of googly eyes in different sizes, an Archimedes classmate geometry box, a short book of riddles, a dictionary type of book of the earth, Apsara Matte Magic Pencils 2.0, a black Rorito B Max 0.7 pen, 5 Joe, wait, what? Okay, I can't read it, but 5 Rorito blue pens, 5 Rorito B Max black pens, and 5 Flair red pens. So this was our find. We found stupendous items. Majority of the items were useful for school, and 3 to 4 items were not useful. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to anyone who you know and anyone who you think that's gonna enjoy this video. I know I've not been posting for such a long time, because I'm in middle school, guys. This is hard, but still, keep touch with me so that we could do many more videos. And yep, so that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. Let's see this video getting a lot of likes, like approximately 20 likes. Please make me get 20 likes. I know that's a lot, but you guys can do it. I believe in you. And thank you so much for 50 plus subscribers. Now currently I have 70 subscribers. I am so happy. And please, let's get 100 subscribers, and I have a very, very good video for you guys. You guys will never want to stop looking at it. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and make sure this video gets 20 likes. And our channel, this is not my channel, this is our channel. So our channel gets 100 subscribers. I know that's a lot, but just 30 more subscribers. You guys made me get 70 subscribers. You guys confirm can make me just get 30 more to get 100. So my goal is getting the silver play button. Like that's somewhere like 100,000 subscribers is like a lot. But I'm not asking even for 1,000. First let's get 100, then 150, then 250, like that. So first let's get 100. Please guys. I know you can do it. I believe in you. That's it for this video, guys. Peace.